Hello everybody and welcome back here in a new video. Today something new guys, because I decided that whenever I take a trade I make a video. So yeah, as you're seeing right now, I'll show you from the phone. So right now it is 2:15 in the afternoon in Italy, and this is the trade right here that is currently going down. So now I'm gonna show you everything inside of my trading view. So guys, as you are seeing, I finally took this trade as the USD. This is the pair that I traded this week. So these right here are my Confluences, guys. So actually I did something wrong here. Okay, so these are my Confluences. So weekly time frame, it is bearish. The daily time frame, it is bearish as well. And if the daily candlestick closes like that in the next 8 hours and 43 minutes, tomorrow we will feel to the downside all of these take profit. So this is the daily time frame and this is the 4-hour time frame. I took this trade after this 4-hour change of character, where from being bullish it turned bearish under this higher low. Here it closed under the higher low. So the 4-hour is bearish as well. The 2-hour was bearish as well. I really liked this kind of rejection here, so I waited for it to close under the EMA. 1 hour, it was bearish. 30 minutes, it was bearish as well. So that are my Confluences on this trade right here. And where did I sell? I sold at a weekly area of interest with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches on the weekly time frame alone, with many touches on the daily time frame as well. So the more touches, the better the trade will then be. Also, it is a 4-hour area of interest, and what I also liked on the 4-hour time frame, it is that we rejected this zone right here, which is a head and shoulders pattern. So we rejected the neckline of this head and shoulders. Here the head and shoulders is this pattern here, and it is a reversal pattern. And now guys, I'm gonna show you on the screen that I took this trade on my MT5, because I can't show you because I'm filming with my phone. So what were the confluence for me to take this trade? So we pulled back at this area of interest, which I said before, it is a daily area of interest. The weekly time frame, it looks like it rejected the EMA as well, so another confluence. Then guys, I took this trade right after we got this 4-hour bearish engulfing candlestick. And for those who know me, the 4-hour bearish engulfing candlestick is a very high probability reversal pattern, because the bearish engulfing shows you that the market has big potential to the downside. And that's what I did. I took this trade, a 25 pips stop loss. I took it on my FTMO 10K challenge on my. So guys, I'm gonna interrupt you because I'm gonna give you some free sauce. So guys, right here I'm on Profirm Match's website. If you don't know what Profirm Match is, it is a tool that helps you find your next Profirm, or your first one if you just started trading. So on Profirm Match you can filter through all the different Profirms by their ranking, their countries, the years in operation, the assets and the platforms, including MetaTrader 5, which is my favorite one, so I always choose a Profirm with MT5. Then you have the list of all the Profirms out there, such as Funding Pips, the 5%ers, which I am in the fast 2 with them. FTMO, which is my favorite Profirm, is the most OG one. And then if you click on a Profirm, you then will see how many people love this Profirm, the reviews of every single Profirm, and as I just mentioned, the reviews are my favorite feature of Profirm Match, because here you can find only verified reviews from people, and you even can see their certificates if they left any certificate, and you can even see if they reached a payout or not. And another nice section is the offers section, because here you can save some money, and it's good saving money if you just started trading. So here with the code match, as you see, you can get a 15% off on Alpha Capital Group and a free account if you do any of these things. So all these saving opportunities, you can find them on the offers page. So guys, please make sure before buying your next Profirm to go on Profirm Match to save some money, to see which Profirm is the best for you, and to see the reviews from verified people. So guys, thank you so much for watching this, and now let's get back to the trade. the 5%ers 10k phase 2 account, and I took it on my live account as well, and I risked $75 on the small account because, guys, as you guys know, I am doing a challenge where I try to turn $100 into 1,000. So maybe we can do it by taking just good trades. So this, in my opinion, it is a good trade. Right now we are floating a 1.5 risk to reward in profit. My ideal take profit will be the 1 to 3 at this zone here, the 1 to 3, but maybe I can close it even before at the 1 to 2. We will see, guys, what the market continues giving us. So this right here, I called it on my video on Sunday, and it's not yet a take profit. I'm not saying that it's a winning trade yet, but I'm just saying that I took this trade and it's already in profit. So this trade right here, I called it in my video that came out 3 days ago. So on Sunday, this was the pair that I called even GBP/USD, guys. I called this pullback to this area of interest here on the 4 hour to then sell. This could have been already 1 to 2.7, guys. What a big push on GBP/USD, but I didn't take it, so that's it. Euro GBP, I predicted it to go to the downside and have the push to the downside. It didn't have, it had a big push to the upside. In fact, if you want, you guys can wait for the pullback to this 4 hour area of interest to then buy with a take profit of a 1 to 2. High probability trade setup as well, so if you want, you can take it. Then I had NZD/JPY. NZD/JPY was my second best pair for this week. It's quite similar to NZD/USD, but it didn't go to the downside as I wanted to do, so this one I didn't take it. Let me remove this alarm. Then I had USD/CAD. USD/CAD, I predicted it to go to my area of interest, which is now doing, so this is the daily time frame. I predicted this one to go to my area of interest to then sell. We are going to the area of interest, but since I am already in a trade, I will not be interested in taking another one, only if this one wins. So we will see. And then I had Euro/USD. Euro/USD, I predicted that this will break and retest under this 4 hour area of interest, and currently is having the push to the downside. Maybe we can get a break and retest to then sell this market as well. But my main trade right now is NZD/USD, and it's going to the downside, but I will continue to set and forget until it goes to the downside. So this is a high probability trade setup. We have all the time frames in sync. We have a strong area of interest on the weekly and the daily time frame that is used as support and resistance multiple times. We have price coming to the area of interest, so slowing down a little bit, and then we have this big push, and hopefully this candlestick can close like that, because if it closes like that, whenever we have a big push, we always have the continuation of going to the downside. So we will see today or tomorrow or this week. So let's hope that this trade goes straight into my take profit. This video will come out tomorrow, so Wednesday, and right now in Italy it is Tuesday, 2 September, if it focuses, yeah, Tuesday, 2 September, and the price is like that. It's not the replay mode that you guys are seeing, so this trade I caught it live, so we will see if this trade can go in my take profit. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you wanna see the trade live updates, please make sure to join my Telegram channel, because there I send everything. I sent even when I took this trade here. So if you don't want to miss on any information that I give out, please make sure to join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Thank you Prop Firm Match for sponsoring this video, guys. If you want your prop firm, as I said before, go down below and look all the different prop firms, because they have all of them. You can filter them by your needs. So thank you once again, Prop Firm Match, for sponsoring this video, guys. Let's hope that this trade right here goes into my take profit, and let's see what it can do. Bye guys.